In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add unsubscribe link in MailerLite. If you want to do this, you first need to head over to MailerLite.com, click on the sign up free in order to create an account, or if you already have one, just proceed to click on this login. Since I already have an account, let me just log in right here. Now, it should be able to show you in here your dashboard. So here is my dashboard right there. So in there, you can just head over to your campaigns and then locate the actual email that you have. Here is my email. Let's click on this edit right here, and then this will open this. Click on this edit content. In here, we can see your actual email. So the unsubscribe link is typically into your actual footer. So let's locate our footer first. Here is our footer. So on default, MailerLite automatically adds a mandatory unsubscribe link as you have noticed right here on the footer of every email. This includes a one-click unsubscribe header in the email client's interface. If you want to add your own link, what you can do is you can head over and then add in here a text. Let's go over to element and let's add in here a text. You can actually add something like this. And for example, let's input right here unsubscribe. And then edit it according to your liking. Let's align this on the center. Now let's select all of this and let's head over and then from this part, just click onto the URL field or link field right here. Click onto this insert link. Once you have done that, input right here a URL. So on this URL, let's proceed to add in here this. We have in here this, so click onto this insert. Now, this will serve as our unsubscribe link, and that code that I have entered earlier is a custom variable for unsubscription. So once you're done, click on this done editing and proceed to send it out. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.